उसके सिवा कोई याद आया भी नहीं, उसके सिवा कोई याद आया भी नहीं। Dear viewer, today my contents about how the songs in used to Naats and these about all informations which is written to different Naats and my this contents about all the informations the new Naats and please subscribe my YouTube channels and likes these all informations which giving to all these contents. Please first of all subscribes and likes my YouTube channels and all other friends and viewers and to just like to today my contents about the different points. First of all I will revise uh, how the Naats its musics and used to and just like to musics uh, different duft and tolls and tabla and used to different countries in just like to advanced country is America and France and Italy and Europeans and Western sides different used to musical instruments in these alls and others is Eastern side some people used to there in Asians peoples somewhere but there is people some used to आवाज़ में जो फड़क का इस्तेमाल करते हैं they used to their voice to thunder likes and just like to different peoples who different akidats in law to holy prophets and different first I revised to different videos in holy places on different stories uh, there is different people who are different अकीदत हर एक इंसान की हर एक बनी हुई इंसान की उसकी अकीदत जो है अलग अलग होती है every man's laws to our holy prophets in different way and different styles different thinkings different people who have different ideas but the some wise are just like to view and just like to classical levels and the modern levels how the Naats used to and how the writtens and how the voice is modern and not about informations today my contents and one again I will say that you all subscribes in these learnings different activities different naming to lectures just I will revise to on certain my uh, story books and just like to उसके सिवा कोई याद आया भी नहीं कोई आपने कभी छुपाया भी नहीं तेरे करीनों पे हो जाऊं कुर्बान हुजूर आपके सिवा किसी से दिल लगाया भी नहीं हर को हो के तेरी गलियों में मोहम्मद किस्मत के सिवा कोई लफ्ज आया भी नहीं, उसके सिवा कोई याद आया भी नहीं. uh, these own written my own poetry in this my all books you can see, and others written I today. हुजूर आपके दर पे आया हूँ. हुजूर आपके दर पे आया हूँ. तेरी मोहब्बत में एक टूटा दिल लाया हूँ. फरमाया ये लो अमानत है. फरमाया ये लो अमानत है. उनकी हर बात में दयानत है. जज्बों की सदाकत सलामत है. वो शाहे शाह उमामत है. फरमाया ये लो अमानत है. डियर व्यूअर्स, आज की आवाज़ में मैंने फड़क इस्तेमाल किया. टुडे माय own written poetry and these all different styles, different stylish how the to your voice in these contents. And today my these contents about the classical long voice and how used to painful voice and how different words, different way and view like just like to view like this voice. And this way you can practice and these written different to sketch just like to different holy places on different stories. My old video you can see that's the stories in this way to different future of holy prophets, the holy places you can narrates, you can describes. In this way you can write to Urdu, Hindi, different literatures and these good literatures. Please these literatures books and please subscribes and likes. And one again I repeat these all poetry one उसके सिवा कोई याद आया भी नहीं, उसके सिवा कोई याद आया भी नहीं. Thank for watching today. My voice is thunder likes. भड़क जो है इसकी आवाज़, और this way you can practice in this not this is different way, different styles. In this way you can adopt, and this way you can learn. Please subscribe and likes and give to comments, and all viewers one again I to request please subscribe, and this way too can takes informations. And thank for watching.